So welcome back. I hope you might have started understanding the importance of quality of the web pages from where we are trying to get the backlinks. So let us start understanding the rest of the parameters to assess the quality of the web pages or the websites. Domain authority. Domain authority is a search engine ranking score developed by Moz. The score of domain authority predicts how well a website will rank on search engine result pages. The domain authority score ranges from 1 to 100, where greater score corresponding to the greater ability to rank. Domain authority is calculated by considering multiple factors like number of links. The score simply represents the ranking strength of a website. Websites like Google, YouTube, Facebook is having very high domain authority, maybe more than 90. Let me show you how to check the domain authority of a given domain. Go to Chrome Web Store, search for Moz bar extension. The first result is Moz bar. Click Add to Chrome, extension is added. An icon for Moz bar will appear. To check the domain authority of any website, just open it in the browser. I am opening Punjab University site. Click on Moz bar icon. Log into Moz account if you are the first time user. You may create a new account. I am logged into Moz. Go back to page that you have opened earlier. Here you can check the domain authority of this page, which is 51. You can also check it from drop-down menu. There are other features of Moz bar as well. We will discuss them in a due course. Next we have page authority. According to Moz, page authority is a score developed by Moz that predicts how well a specific page will rank on search engine result page. Page authority score ranges from 1 to 100. With higher scores corresponding to greater ability to rank, domain authority measures the predictive ranking strength of entire domains or subdomains. Page authority measures the strength of individual pages. The page authority can be checked for any page using Moz bar. The page authority of my university's home page is 52. For Facebook, it is 100. For Amazon, it is 69. Page rank. Google page rank is one of the methods Google uses to determine a page relevance or importance. It was invented by Google founder Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Google page rank is calculated on the basis of quality and the quantity of backlinks. Important pages receive higher page rank and are more likely to appear at the top of the search results. Google page rank is measured from 0 to 10, where higher the number represent higher page rank. Now the question is how to check page rank. Go to the site checkpagerank.net. Enter the URL of any page of your website for which you are interested to check the web page. I am entering my university. Click submit and your results will be ready within seconds. Just little bit scroll down the page and here is the Google page rank. This way you may check the page rank of any website. Follow links and no follow link. In the backlink process, it is very important to understand the concept of follow link and no follow link. What are follow links? We already know that websites get boost in SERP ranking if a link of a website has been given by other websites. If one link is a point, then more links means more points means high ranking. Google has metric called PageRank to count link points, and these link points in SEO terminology are called link juice. The link juice flows through sites and into new sites through the hyperlinks. The more reputable site, the bigger boost of a link juice is transferred to the linked sites. Therefore, follow links are those links that are counted as a link point and helps in boosting the ranking of the website in the SERPs. So, what are no follow links? Very simple. No follow link is a link that doesn't count as a link point in the page favor. It doesn't boost page rank and doesn't help page placement in SERPs. No follow links can easily be created using HTML links. Therefore, it is very clear no follow links will not help in SEO and efforts should be made to secure the follow links only. The concept of no follow link was introduced to avoid the spamming of links. Lastly, we have quality of content. Quality of content matters a lot in judging the quality of a page. We have already discussed how to improve the quality of a page in one of our previous modules. So with this, we have completed our discussion on various parameters that are essential to assess the quality of various websites and web pages. Now I hope you can assess the quality of various pages and websites by using these methods. Now when we will start working on off-page SEO, there is one obvious question that how to secure the backlinks from various websites. To know the answer, just join me in the next video.